Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased blog, and today we are in the middle of the wilds. And we are in the wilds because we are testing a smartphone, a budget smartphone that claims to be really sturdy. In fact, so sturdy that it claims to have gone through US military A10G standard testing. Yes, it can hold drops, it can hold temperatures from low to high, humidity, solar, and a lot of other things. Today we're talking about the LG K42, the latest smartphone from LG, which is a budget smartphone only for 10,990 rupees, but it has features that even flagships lack. Yes, it is US military tested smartphone. That means you can drop the phone without worrying about it. So as you just witnessed, this phone can handle drops pretty easily, no worries about it. And that makes you comfortable, right? Because if you're buying a smartphone, which could be your first or second smartphone, and you're spending like 11,000 rupees on a smartphone, you want to make sure that it lasts a few years, right? So while taking it out from your pocket, dropping it in your car, or dropping it while getting on your bike, you don't have to be worried about it because this phone can handle it all. So what exactly is this military standard A10G compliance test that the LG K42 has gone through with? Well, to start with, it can handle shocks. It can handle temperature shocks from really cold to really hot. It can handle vibrations. It can handle humidity, even high temperature storage for high temperature for operation, low temperature for storage, and low temperature for operation. So this means even if it's really cold temperature or even really hot temperature, this phone will not stop operating. You can use it without worrying about really cold weathers, really hot weathers, really humid weathers. So we did a lot of tests on this smartphone just to make sure this smartphone can perform about what they have been claimed by LG. Does it really come through? So we'll be doing this test in our video and checking it all. So the first test we did was to store it in an oven, in a high temperature oven. We heated the oven, also does UV testing on that, stored it in the sun for more than 24 hours and kept the phone in it just to make sure that it can handle the heat or the temperature that LG had claimed. So after testing it in the heat, we tested it really cold temperatures. We put it in the fridge and tested if this phone can handle that, and it also surpassed that test. Next we did was the humidity test. What we did was switched on the steam iron and really put a lot of steam on it. As you can see, the droplets formed on the phone, and still the phone was working fine without any issues. That this phone can really surpass all those testing without worrying about the smartphone. And do not forget, this phone is only 10,990 rupees, which means it's a budget device with all those compliance features that really make it a worth buy. But that's not all, because this smartphone is just not about the US military standard. There's so many things to talk about this smartphone. Well, let's start with the design of this smartphone. First up, you can see the device looks really premium from the back, and it's not just because giving it that finish, but it also is a functional design which makes it a scratch-free phone. You can really try scratch testing on this phone, and it withholds all the scratch tests that we tried on this smartphone without any problem. The unique wave pattern they have also helps in gripping the phone. Even if it's really sweaty hands you have, it doesn't really matter because this grip is really strong. And to keep that back really intact, what LG did is put the fingerprint scanner on the side in the power button, which also is really quick and fast. So just press of a button on the power button, which has the integrated fingerprint sensor, and the phone unlocks in seconds. So as I mentioned, on the right you get the fingerprint sensor with the power button integrated in. On the left you have the volume rockers and the Google dedicated key, which you can launch the Google launcher with the press of a button, which comes in really handy. You don't have to say, hey Google, you don't have to worry about launching Google. You just need to press a button and the Google Assistant is right there for you. On the bottom you have rest of the ports of the device. You have the 3.5mm jack, yes, it's still there. You have a Type-C charging port and the speaker grill and a microphone. On the top you get a secondary microphone. Now let's talk about the cameras of this device. You get a quad camera setup on this device, which is a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel smartphone camera. That means you have a camera for everything you would need. A camera for photos, a camera for portrait, a camera for ultra wide, a camera for macro. All these things have been covered in this smartphone. On the front you get a 6.6 inches punch hole display, which is really huge because you get a 6.6 inches of real estate, and also a punch hole camera that doesn't eat up the real estate on the front screen. So it's a rich vivid display, and sunlight legibility is really good. And what I liked about this smartphone is the colors are really rich, and there are certain enhancements you can make in the phone that makes the display look better. On the front you get a 8 megapixel camera for your selfies, and it really works well. Whether it's low light or good lighting, it works really well for your needs. And for all the audiophiles out there, you get LG 3D surround engine that really enhances the sound when you connect your headphones with this smartphone. So when you open the camera app, you get video, photo, portrait, AI cam, sticker, macro, flash jump cut, and even YouTube live. So you can do a YouTube live directly from this smartphone. If you have a YouTube channel and you want to do live in the camera app, just click on more, click on YouTube live, and you can go ahead and do your live videos directly. You don't have to open the YouTube app, go and log in there. So if you have connected your YouTube with the camera app, you can straight away start doing live videos. So in terms of video recording resolution, you can capture full HD videos, whether you're capturing it from the front camera or the rear cameras. And there's some instances when you're not sure which mode to use. So the best part is you can use the AI cam mode, and it automatically detects the best settings, best filters for your photos, and it automatically clicks the best resolution filtered photos for you. So simply click on AI cam mode and capture the best of what it's there. So now let's talk about what's under the hood, what's powering this, and does it really stand up to what all it's been claimed. So this smartphone comes with Helio P22 processor with 3GB and 64GB of ROM. And you can also extend the memory with a micro SD card. That means you get a triple card slot, which is 2 for SIM cards and 1 for memory card. Dedicated 2 SIMs and a memory card at the same time. So don't worry about, that it's just 64GB, and if you want more memory, you can definitely expand it. Now that's about processing power, RAM, ROM, storage and other things. But what is really powering the device? The battery. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery, but sadly it doesn't have fast charging support. So charging your battery from 0 to 100 would take almost 1.5 hours or 2 hours. So in terms of day-to-day usage and gaming and other applications and multitasking, this phone can handle it. But it's not a gaming phone. It's not meant for really heavy tasks. It can definitely do your daily tasks without any problems. It can do your gaming also, but don't take it as a gaming phone or a very task-intensive phone. So in terms of software, you get LG UI on top of Android 10. So now it's time for the unbiased verdict. Is the LG K42 the right smartphone for you? Well, if you have 10,990 rupees, I think it's a very good value for money phone. There are 5 reasons for it. First reason, it's a sturdy phone. You don't have to worry about, dropping it, scratching it, and all those things have been sorted for you. Second reason is, LG is so confident about this phone that they're giving you extended warranty over the smartphone. So you, instead of getting 1 year smartphone warranty, you're getting 2 years of smartphone warranty on this one. So other phones or other smartphone manufacturers are only giving you 1 year of warranty. This one is for 2 years warranty. So that means you are rest assured for 2 years if something happens to the phone. The third very important point is LG is sure that this phone can handle the screen drops and everything, and giving you a 1 year free screen replacement. If by chance you're able to break the device or able to break the display of the smartphone, you get 1 screen replacement free. The fourth reason is it's its design. It's very unique. Other smartphones in this range are really not that pleasing to look at. This one has a very distinctive design, and also this pattern really feels nice to hold to. And the fifth reason is LG is a very known brand, promising brand. It is one of the best and oldest brands in India. Their phones don't have any ads on it. Their phones are really clean UI. You really like the user experience. Also, the customer service is really great. And at the end of the day, you want all those things, right? So the choice is yours. We think the device is really good because of these 5 factors apart from what all it offers. So do let us know in the comment section below what do you think of the LG K42 smartphone. And please share this video if you like the video. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog.